Are you an interior design agency looking to increase your online presence and attract more clients? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for the success of any business, and that includes interior design agencies. The first step to establishing your online presence is having a professional and user-friendly website. Your website should not only showcase your portfolio, but also provide important information about your services, prices, and contact information. You need to keep your website clean, visually appealing, and easy to navigate. But having a website is not enough. You need to make sure that your website is visible to potential clients. And that's where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes in. Understanding SEO for interior design. SEO for interior design involves optimizing your online presence to attract more potential clients by improving your website's visibility in search engine result pages. This includes researching and using relevant keywords, creating high quality content, optimizing on-page elements like titles and meta descriptions, and of course building good quality backlinks. Local SEO is also crucial as it targets clients searching for interior design services in specific geographic areas. By enhancing your site's loading speed, mobile friendliness, and overall user experience, SEO helps interior design businesses to rank higher on search engines, hence driving organic traffic and increasing leads for conversions. Now, why is SEO important for interior designers? Well, SEO is a crucial part for any business, but SEO is specifically crucial for interior designers because it enhances their online visibility, making it easier for potential clients to find their services. By optimizing their website and content for search engines, interior designers can rank higher in search results and attract more organic traffic and generate better leads. SEO also helps to build credibility and trust, as higher ranking websites are often perceived as more reliable. Additionally, local SEO can target specific geographic areas, bringing in clients who are looking for nearby services, ultimately driving business growth and success in a competitive market. Now let's talk about the top 3 SEO benefits for interior designers. SEO helps you rank at the top of Google, more website traffic, and SEO improves rankings and drives targeted traffic to interior designers' website. It also helps in increasing project inquiries. SEO attracts more potential clients, resulting in more inquiries and leads for interior design projects. And then there's the benefit of cost-effective marketing. SEO provides a more affordable marketing solution than traditional advertising methods. Let's talk about the 8 easy SEO tips to get more clients. Firstly, claim your free Google business profile. You can claim your free Google business profile to enhance your online presence, attract local customers, and boost your credibility. It's simple, fast, and essential for standing out in search results and maps. You should start today. Secondly, discovering customers. Discovering customer keywords involves identifying the specific terms and phrases potential clients use when searching for your services online. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ahrefs and analyze your competitors' keywords. You should also consider customer feedback and queries to find relevant and high traffic keywords for better SEO targeting. Third is create service pages and blog content. Creating service pages and blog content is essential for SEO. Service pages detail your offerings, showcasing expertise and helping potential clients understand your services. Blog content, meanwhile, provides valuable insights, answers common questions, and demonstrate your industry knowledge, attracting organic traffic and boosting your site's results in search engine rankings. Fourth one is optimize your website content. You can optimize your website content by incorporating relevant keywords, creating high quality and engaging content, using clear headers and subheaders, including internal and external links, optimizing images with alt text, and ensuring your site is mobile friendly and loads very quickly. Next is you can build authority with link building. Building authority through link building involves acquiring high quality backlinks from reputable websites in your industry. These links signal to search engines that your site is trustworthy and relevant, improving your SEO rankings and driving more organic traffic. It's a crucial element in establishing credibility and boosting online visibility. Sixth is prioritize technical SEO. Technical SEO is essential for optimizing website performance and user experience. It focuses on factors like loading speed of the website, mobile responsiveness, and proper indexing through XML sitemaps. By prioritizing technical SEO, businesses ensure their website meets search engine standards, improving visibility as well as usability. Gain a competitive edge with SEO tools. To gain competitive edge with SEO tools that offer insights into keyword trends, competitor strategies, and site performance. Tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Moz provide data-driven analytics, allowing businesses to optimize content, track rankings, and enhance digital marketing strategies effectively. You can achieve higher visibility and outperform your competition in search engine result pages. Now, how much does SEO cost for your interior design business? Search engine optimization is a cost-saving strategy in which you can achieve long-term growth and success by investing a minimal amount. You can also hire an agency to enjoy these benefits without overburdening yourself with the technicalities. The average SEO cost at Softtrix is around $500 to $750 per month. Our professional experts help you in attracting quality traffic and generating revenue. Softtrix provides you with two SEO pricing models, that is hourly or monthly, from which you can choose according to your business requirements. The hourly pricing model lets you pay hourly for all the tasks we perform for you. It is very useful for businesses that want to monitor and analyze the hourly progress of their website. The monthly pricing model, on the other hand, lets you pay on a monthly basis for the agreed upon deliveries, as it is client friendly in nature. If you consider Softtrix for your SEO services, we do offer comprehensive SEO packages tailored for the US, UK, and Australian markets with proven experience and a client-centric approach. Partnering with Softtrix means assessing cutting-edge strategies, transparent communication, and dedicated support, ensuring your clients' online success and business growth. Having a strong online presence is crucial for the success of any interior design agency. Implementing these SEO strategies can increase your website's visibility and attract more clients. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these SEO techniques and watch your interior design agency grow. If you have any questions, feel free to ping us through our website or WhatsApp number given on the screen. Thank you so much for watching this video, and in case you have any queries, comments, please do mention them, and humble request to please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.